Hello friends, I welcome you all in one more knowledgeable, interesting video. Today in this video, we will going to talk about a very interesting proposition that arises because of some amendments in budget. Some amendments proposed in budget 2023, right? Why proposed? Because it is still finance bill, it is not Finance Act now, right? Because of this, these certain amendments that we're going to discuss in this video, some of the persons, some of the individuals do not actually want to earn higher income because of those amendments, their level of income rise is less than the level of taxes risen, right? So who wants to earn that much of income, right? For example, if you earn 2 rupees and because of earning that 2 rupees, you have to pay 15 rupees as taxes. So who want to earn those additional 2 rupees? I guess nobody, right? So situation like this is arising from the amendments proposed in Finance Bill 2023, especially relating to the new tax regime, right? So let me explain that situation to you. In budget 2023, there is an increase in the rebate limit under section 87A, right? From 5 lakh to 7 lakh. This limit has been increased in new tax regime. The limit has been increased and it is applicable from assessment year 2024-25. Right. Now in new tax regime, basic exemption limit is also increased. Basic exemption limit has been also increased from existing 2.5 lakh rupees to 3 lakh rupees. Right. So these are the amendments that has been proposed relating to section. The section relevant here is 115 BAC, that is the section for new tax regime. Let's say, for example, there is an individual, right, who earns salary income of, let's say, rupees 7,50,000, 10 rupees, right? So this individual is eligible for standard deduction of 50,000 rupees, and after standard deduction his income comes to 7 lakh 10 rupees, right? And on this income of 7 lakh 10 rupees, right, this is what? This is income, and on this income of 7 lakh 10 rupees, this individual have to shell out tax of rupees 26,000, right? And we all know that in new tax regime, the basic exemption limit is off, not the basic exemption limit. There is no tax till 7 lakh rupees, right? So this individual who is having salary income, who is having income of 7,50,000, 10 rupees is, after standard deduction, having income of 7 lakh 10 rupees, have to pay taxes of 26,000 rupees under new tax regime, right? In this case, income increased by rupees 10 and taxes increases by rupees 26,000, right? So how much of the additional, in comparison to the income, how much of the additional taxes this individual is paying is the difference of these two, that is 25,990 rupees, right? Increase in the level of income is of just rupees 10, and because of this additional income, increase in the level of income of rupees 10, this individual have to pay additional tax of rupees 26,000, 25,000 rupees tax and 1,000 rupees cess, right? Health and education cess. So this is the situation that is actually arising out of the amendments proposed in Finance Bill 2023, and it is really a concern for those employees, those salaried person who are in this income bracket and who want to opt for new tax regime because they want simplification, they don't want to enter into the complexity of making investments and making their income tax return filing complicated, right? And that is the intention of the government also. Clear? So in this case, right, income increases by just rupees 10 and tax liability increases by rupees 26,000. And we have a concept of marginal relief in Income Tax Act, right? We have a concept of marginal relief in Income Tax Act, but unfortunately, marginal relief is not available in this situation, but that has to be available, that should be available. There is no such amendment proposed in the finance bill that because of these situations, marginal relief is available to this individual who have to shell out additional taxes, which is very high, which is more in comparison to the level of income rise. Right. So the comparison of the level of income rise and the comparison of the level of taxes rise. This is huge difference in these two. The taxes rise with a higher speed. There is a more right level of taxes is there in this situation in comparison to the level of income. So there must be some marginal relief benefit kind of available to this individual, and this should happen. So because of this situation, who wants to earn additional 10 rupees if that person have to pay additional tax of 26,000 rupees, right? So this is an interesting video on this interesting situation that arises because of amendment proposed in Finance Bill 2023, right? If you have any comment, any question relating to Income Tax Act, you can post in the comment box. Like this video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye.